Welcome to the home of Friday Night Lights, R.E. St. John Memorial Stadium in Kilgore, Texas. Go Dogs!
There is nothing quite like Friday Night Lights in East Texas. If you aren't from here, it's hard to understand. If you are from here, you can't imagine doing anything else. Having grown up in Kilgore, population of about 12,000, the Ragin' Red Bulldogs will always hold a piece of my heart. As a child, the stadium felt so big, as it felt like our entire small town was attending the games on Friday night.
One thing Julie Woods loves about East Texas is me.
My friend! How much would you pay me to run through there right now?
The 4A Bulldogs are led by Coach Clint Fuller, who recently relocated back to Kilgore after moving away in the 4th grade. Having lived here just a few years as a kid, he fell in love with the culture and said it was his dream to raise his own family here. I mean, take a look at this. Could you blame him? Lucky for him, he was hired in 2021 as the head coach and is not only raising his own family, but the Bulldogs to victory. Kilgore has long been a powerhouse in the football world, and it's exciting to see them successful under Clint's leadership. Take a look at that drill team. Aren't they just awesome? Another premier 5A school district in East Texas, located in Longview, is Pine Tree ISD. Established in 1847, this district is one of the oldest and finest in the state of Texas. One of the best parts about going to the Friday night football games is all the friends that you see that you would never see otherwise. And take a look at their brand new football stadium. Wow. I have to admit, this was my first time to visit Pine Tree Pirate Stadium, and I was blown away, both by the beauty and size of it and the hospitality of my friends there. Truly, these Pirates know how to make a Longview Lobo feel completely at home. The school spirit is palpable, and I could absolutely feel it. From the football team, band, drill team, cheerleaders, flag runners, and drumline, heck, even the EMTs working the game, we were all in to cheer Pine Tree on. We happened to luck out at this Pine Tree football game. Even the parents were there to participate with the drill team on the field. It was not only hilarious, but also brought more of a small town feel to the game as well. I mean, who doesn't love to see a dad in some gold lame? The largest district in our area is the 6A State Football Champions Longview ISD Lobos. I must admit, I have complete partiality to Longview ISD, as this is where my own 3 children attend school. The stadium itself is something to behold. It's quite impressive and definitely lets you know we value Friday Night Lights here in East Texas.
Welcome to your first Lobo game.
And with any luck, this year we'll have another state championship under our belt. On this Friday night, the Majorettes also hosted the mini Majorettes on the field with them. This was pretty cool to watch. The Lobo Viewette drill team is also something I'm a little extra proud of, as my daughter is a senior on the team. The offerings at LISD will blow your mind, from being the only school in the state of Texas with an international baccalaureate program to having an FFA program with over 700 members.
There truly is nothing quite like Lobo Stadium in Longview, Texas.
To their dual credit program, Montessori school, and more. It's no wonder this large and diverse group of students go on to success in every area of life. And of course, winning a state football championship doesn't hurt the Cinderella story either. I don't know what it is about these inflatable football helmets, but I feel like they just beg me to run through them. I can't be alone on this, can I?
What's he gonna do, arrest me?
You need to, girl. Hey, I started coming over the rest.
One thing I can say for sure about East Texas is that we value God, the flag, and football. I hope by now you're getting the idea that no matter what school you support, we're all one big happy family. Every game that I've attended, I've been so happy to see people from my childhood or from my adulthood that I otherwise would not be able to see if I weren't at the game. It's just something really special about East Texas, and I'm so thankful that I get to experience it. With season tickets selling out well in advance of the football season each year, you can see why the tradition of football is so strong in our area. Oh yeah, and don't forget the band. The Big Green Marching Machine is pretty outstanding. Friday Night Lights. We wait for it all year long and relish the few months we get to enjoy it. It's where legends are made and memories are created to last a lifetime, and not just for the kids and their parents, but for the entire East Texas community. Friday Night Lights, just one more thing I love about East Texas.